Hello guys, in this tutorial I wanted to explain how to resolve an Eclipse error that I was experiencing when installing Eclipse in Windows 10 64-bit. So installing the after downloading the installer from the eclipse.org website, then of course you have to run the installer locally. This was the online installer, okay? And at some point you will find it's saying that Eclipse installation failed with error. Okay, and then we have a red bar here. See, all this bar will be red, and then the message is Eclipse installation failed with error. So I experienced that problem, and for some time I tried some of the options that were online, and they were not working. Unfortunately for me, it was not working. So I just found this solution, and I think it's a good solution, especially if you understand that you want to install your Eclipse right from their online repository. Okay, so what happens if you are going to install this? Okay, you see, installation failed with error. This is the error that I'm talking about. It is important that you do research online on the same error, and I'm sure you're going to find some of the stuff that are there. They're not going to help you. Okay, some are going to work, some won't work, but for me I think it didn't work for me, so I just bumped on this solution, and I think it worked for me. So once you're trying to install and you have that error, you see this I'm sure you can see this menu here, overflow menu. This is what I want you to look at. This overflow menu here, this is what actually helped me install Eclipse after facing that error for a long time. Okay, because I wanted to install it from online. So once you come to this option here, just click on advanced mode. All right, do you want to install it's going to take you through this process. So here you just click yes. You are going to configure, just click yes, 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 and next. At the end of it, this is it's just going to install Eclipse on your machine. For me, I've already installed it. I used this process and I was able to install it. Okay, and it's just amazing because it's so simple. Okay, it's so simple, yet once you try to resolve that error, it's a big problem, and you cannot even install using the admin mode, because I also tried the admin mode. Just a moment. If okay, you can see this is what you are going to happen. So you are going to click next, and then it's just going to install what you want. Okay, so what you are going to see this window. Of course, you're going to be given the options that are here. You want Eclipse for Java developers. Thank you. Okay, so you just have to click next. Okay, and it's very simple. I think this is so simple. It was so simple. I think, and I installed Eclipse and it ran successfully. But I just want first of all to cancel this because I've already installed Eclipse using that method. So if I was to run this as an administrator, I just want to show you that even as you run the installation as administrator, it's not going to work. I even tried to put a to put to download a different version of Java JDK, JRE, and nothing happened. Okay, until I came to that solution. So you see, right now I'm installing using administrative privileges. Okay, the same error. You see, once you are going to see this, my RIN and whatever, all the errors are going to be here. See, so I really researched for this online, but none of the solutions worked for me. I hope that this works for you. And yes, so let's continue programming. But before I close this, I think I should show you my Eclipse running. Okay, let me see, just a moment. Just a moment. Okay, I'm going to check on my on the new apps. that have been installed. That's new. Eclipse. Okay, I think it's not displaying here, but it really should be displaying here. Okay, this is Eclipse installer. But basically, this is what you are going to encounter. But if it's not there, I'm just going to try and locate it in my folder. Okay, program files, Eclipse. What's in that folder has nothing yet. That's Java. But basically, this is how you install it. Okay, it's going to work for you. It's only that I cannot locate where the launch icon is, but it's actually worked for me. I did a program and everything then successfully. That is okay. So that is that. You just try what I've said. Go through the process. I'm sure it's going to work for you, just as it has worked for me. All right. And I'm just trying to see whether I really have that folder here. Okay. Yeah, I think this is a folder, right? But these are for today. This is what failed. Okay. These are the instructions that failed today. But anyway, I'm going to locate my Eclipse and just pin the launch icon to my taskbar. So, but that's how you resolve it. For me to work, I just hope it works for you too. And thank you for watching this video. Let me know down in the comments below whether it works for you or not. Okay.